we can't thank you guys enough. So thank you. Yeah,
It's
cool.
really cool. It's really cool. So it's exciting, dude. So flawless, the whole process.
DJ.
Thomas.
People ask us all the time, why King's Building? Well, this is why.
Excellent communication and guarantee that once you've got your paperwork in place and you both agreed on it, nothing changes. There are no surprises with Keen's Buildings. You get exactly what you discussed on exact dates that you got it. When it was done, the 3D outlay, I was quite impressed. And when the building itself was finished, it's like, okay, they're twins. No mistakes, no screw ups. Again, I commend the building manufacturer, the crew that came out. All of you guys have done a fantastic job for me.
Wonderful. We had one idea, and when we sat down with DJ, he had some other ideas that were 100% better. We are thrilled. This is going to store all of my feed for my horses and pigs and chickens, and then a little tiny bit of it's going to be for my husband for his stuff. Easy, fast, efficient.